Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of grammar. In the previous lecture, we have seen lesson number 10 verbs. We have seen some details about verbs, what is used for, and we have seen many examples regarding verbs. Okay, now we are going to see verbs and helping verbs. So, in the previous lecture, we have learned many things about verbs or where you can use it. We have seen that. Okay, so verbs is an action word, but there are more than action words. There are also some meaning. For example, here is, has, and are also verbs. Okay, so let us begin with verbs and helping verbs. Verbs can be divided into main verbs and helping verbs. Doing verbs are known as the main verb. Be verbs and belonging verbs are sometimes known as the helping verb. Helping verbs help the main verb. So students, verbs are divided into two parts. First is main verbs and helping verbs. दो तरीके से डिवाइड होते हैं, मेन वर्ब्स और हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स में डिवाइड होते हैं, राइट? कौन? वर्ब्स. ओके, डूइंग वर्ब्स आर नोन एज द मेन वर्ब. जो डूइंग वर्ब्स होते हैं, जो करने के वर्ब्स होते हैं, राइट, जो कुछ एक्शन को परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, उसे बोलते हैं मेन वर्ब. Be verbs and belonging verbs are sometimes known as the helping verb. So be verbs और belonging verbs. Belonging verbs कौन सा होता है? जो चीज़ किसी को belong करती है उसे belonging verbs बोलते हैं. और be verbs मतलब जो उसके बारे में बताता है, verbs के बारे में बताता है. ओके, दिस नोन एज द हेल्पिंग. ये दो टाइप के हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं. सो लेट अस सी. हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हेल्प द मेन वर्ब. अब हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स मेन वर्ब को हेल्प करते हैं. लेट अस सी विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जांपल. For example, the spaceship is moving fast. Main verb moving. Okay, so what's the main verb here? Moving. Okay, helping verb is. So here you can see the spaceship is moving fast. अब मूविंग यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? एक मेन वर्ब हो गया और हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो गया इज. ओके, सो इज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड मूविंग इज अ मेन वर्ब. ओके, second example, the show has won many awards. Here also you can see main verb कौन सा है? won, and helping verb is has. Okay, so these are the things. verbs के जो पहले होता है जो helping verb होता है, right, जो उसके बारे में बताता है, right, verbs के बारे में बताता है. Let us learn the different forms of be. Notice that the form taken by be depends on the noun which is being used. अब ये be का फॉर्म क्या होता है उसके बारे में हम आगे देखते हैं और कैसे ये नाउन के साथ यूज होता है. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज दैट फर्स्ट, व्हेन टॉकिंग ऑफ थिंग्स दैट हैपन्स यूजुअली और रेगुलरली. अगर हम बात कर रहे ऐसी चीज़ के बारे में जो यूजुअली और रेगुलरली होती है उसके बारे में, फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. हियर यू कैन सी हियर फर्स्ट पर्सन क्या है? आई एम. और प्लूरल क्या है उसका? वी आर. सेकेंड पर्सन यू आर and plural also you are. Okay, third person he is, she is, and it is, and plural form is they are. So these are the okay, these are the different forms we are using regularly. Okay, these are the singular and plural form. I am, you are, he is. So इसमें सब में helping verbs का use हुआ है, right? We are, you are, and they are. ये noun के अंदर use होते हैं, right? Let us see one more details about looking at the word. Let us begin with the B exercise. Looking at the word in the table below, choose a word from each column to make as many sentence as you can. You can use the word from the middle column as often as you like. So here you can see the words are given: a kite, kite flying, we, I, my father, my mother, my parents. And helping verbs are there: is, am, and are. Okay, a piece of cloth or paper, a fun sport, गोइंग टू फ्लाई काइट्स। तो यहाँ पे से हम सेंटेंस बनाएंगे। सो लेट अस सी। सो आई हैव प्रिपेयर हियर, यू कैन सी हियर, a kite is a piece of cloth or paper. Kite flying is a fun sport. We are going to fly kites. We are learning how to fly kites. We are good kite makers. I am going to fly kites. I am learning how to fly kites. I am an expert at flying kites. My father is going to fly kites. My father is learning how to fly kites. My father is my teacher. My father is an expert at flying kites. My mother is going to fly kites. My mother is learning how to fly kites. My mother is my teacher. My mother is an expert at flying kites. So students, here you can see we have used different words with the helping verbs we have used, okay, and we have formed the sentences. Some more sentences are there. We can make, my parents are going to fly kites. My parents are learning how to fly kites. My parents are good kite makers. Okay. So these were all the things. Let us begin with our example, that is C1. One more exercise there. Tick the correct form of be and have to complete the following sentence. So we are marking here, the helping verbs are there, we are marking them, okay. Be and have, okay, that's we will mark. I am are watching a movie right now. So I, then the what will we use, am will be used, okay. So I am watching a movie right now. Next is there second one. Sania has have a pet dog called Bruno. Bruno is black in color. So Sania has, okay, has is a helping verb. So we will use the word has. And Bruno is a black in color. Bruno कैसा है? Bruno is black in color. So is a be form, right? And have का फॉर्म क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? सानिया हैज़ अ पेट डॉग, उसके पास है ये पेट डॉग, ओके. हैव नहीं आएगा वहाँ पे, हैज़ आएगा, ओके. थर्ड वन, बाम्बू is are the fastest growing plant in the world. It is are the main source of food for giant pandas and gorilla. So here we will use is, okay. बाम्बू कैसा है? बाम्बू बी फॉर्म में बताया था. बाम्बू इज द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग प्लांट इन द वर्ल्ड and it is the main source of food, okay, for giant pandas and gorilla. So here is also used, okay. Fourth one, Aditi and Namit are is poets. They are is reading their poems in the class. So here are is used, okay, because they are two person, right. So plural form is there, so we are using are here. अगर सिंगल फॉर्म होता तो हम इस का यूज़ करते, लेकिन यहाँ पे प्लूरल फॉर्म में मतलब एक से ज़्यादा लोग हैं, इसलिए हमने आर का यूज़ किया हो, राइट. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज वॉज द आवर C1 एक्सरसाइज. व्हेन टॉकिंग ऑफ द थिंग्स दे हैव ऑलरेडी हैपन. अगर हम कोई चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो पहले हो चुकी है, तो फर्स्ट पर्सन कैसे बात करेगा? आई वॉज, सेकेंड पर्सन यू वेर, एंड थर्ड पर्सन ही वॉज, शी वॉज एंड इट वॉज, ओके. प्लूरल फॉर्म में वी वेर, यू वेर एंड दे वेर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे हमने वॉज का यूज़ करा है सिंगुलर पर्सन में सब में, लेकिन सेकेंड पर्सन में वेर होता है, और प्लूरल फॉर्म में पूरा वेर का यूज़ हुआ है, राइट. यहाँ पे बोल्ड करके आपको बताया हुआ है. यू कैन गेट द आइडिया. डी एक्सरसाइज, टिक द करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ बी टू कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. अब यहाँ पे हमें बी फॉर्म को सिलेक्ट करना है. अनिल वॉज वेर रनिंग लेट फॉर स्कूल. सो इट इज़ अ पास्ट टेंस. अनिल वॉज रनिंग लेट फॉर स्कूल. So here past tense is there, so we will use was, okay. and Anil is also a singular person, so we will use was here. Okay. You were brilliant in the play last night. Satya acted well too. Okay. So here you can say you is the second person, so we will use were. Bamboo were discovered in China almost 5000 years ago. Okay. So bamboo is single, so we will singular, so we will use was here. Fourth one, I was very going to school. I was were going to school when I found this kitten on the road. So here was will be used because it's a first person again. Okay. So let us begin. Hope you have understood this D exercise. E1. Let us move ahead with the E1 exercise. Read the following paragraph. Read the following paragraph about the Ajanta caves in Maharashtra and tick lines. Underline the of all the verbs in it. Don't forget to underline the helping verbs as well. Okay, we will underline here verbs as well as helping verbs. So you can see here Ajanta caves are a series of 30 Buddhist cave temples near Mumbai. So here you can see in the first line R is the uh, R is the verb here. Okay. Most of these caves were built in the 15th century. Were built. Okay. So it is also a verbs is also there and helping verbs is also there. Okay. King Harisena was ruling the region at that time. So ruling is the action again with the helping verbs. We are using was ruling. The caves were used by the Buddhist monks as prayer halls and houses for a few centuries. So here you can see used is a verb and where is an helping verb. Then they were forgotten. The forgotten is an verb, right? Then they were forgotten. The caves were found again in 1819. Here were found is also an verb. Okay, and it is with the helping verb it is given here. Okay, so students, this was our 10th chapter. So we have mark here verbs and the helping verbs here. Okay, so students, that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.